A train accident can derail an entire life. At 30, Akshay from Akola lost his leg, his work, and his sense of direction. At Narayan Sewa Sansthan, he received support, rehabilitation, and a chance to begin again. Akshay enrolled in a computer course, learning skills that put his life back on track. With training and confidence, Akshay now believes he can go far and do great things. Narayan Sewa Sansthan helps lives find direction through skill development. Donate and help someone move forward again.